Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your Android. So let's go into the settings of our phone, right? And once you're here, you have to just type management, right? And once you type management here, you will get this option of connection management. Just click on that. Now here you will get this option of maximum allowed connection. Just click on this and just put it under the 10, right? Then we will just go back, right? We will just go our Wi-Fi here and we will just click on the top right. Then we will get this option of advanced setting, right? Once we here on the advanced setting, make sure the pass point is turned on, right? Once it is turned on, you will get this option of saved network, right? Just remove all the saved network from here and just go back, and here you have to do nothing. You have to again go back, and for example I just want to connect it, so I will just go here and I will just enter the password and it will work perfectly fine, right? So this is the only thing where how you can just fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. And this is it. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.